Okay, do you have a calculator with you?
Yes.
Jaden, your teacher started on prime numbers already?
Yes.
So where have your teacher covered LCM, HCF, application already?
We did both of them already.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so if I ask you a question, this is a question. If this year 2023 a prime number, do you know answer? You sure want to make a guess? Is this year a prime number?
I think no.
This year is not a.
Oh, Jaden say this year is not a prime number, is it?
It can be divided by 7.
Can divide by 7. Wow, well done. Okay, so let's check. 2023 divided by 7. Yes, correct. Okay, so 2023 is not a prime number. So if that's the case, then moving on, 2024, 2025, 2026, and so on. Which is the next prime number year?
2027, I think.
2027 is a prime number year. Okay, so the next question is, how do you know that 2027 is a prime number?
It can only be divided by itself for 1.
Aha, can only be divided by itself 1. Okay, so I want to teach you one way that you can check whether a number is a prime number or not. Okay, I give you a smaller number. Let's say I give you 97. Okay, so I ask you, is 97 a prime number?
Uh,
Jaden, you can turn on your video also, so Mr. Koh can see your expression.
but can I not?
Okay, okay, fine. It's okay. It's up to you. All right. So is 97 a prime number? You sure you have any idea? Okay, no idea. So I will teach you to check whether a number is a prime number. So there's this method. First, you take the square root of 97. Okay, so you notice that the square root of 97 actually gives you, okay, let me go do it. Square root of 97. Okay, gives you 9.8488 and so on. So, okay, 9.85. Okay, so you select a number which is less than this and is a prime number. So 9 is not a prime number, 8 is not a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So you check whether, okay, 97 can be divided by this number or not, one by one. If 97 can be divided by this number, then it is not a prime number. Then, of course, if 97 cannot be divided by this number, then it is a prime number. Okay,
Wait,
so you do a quick check. So you
wait,
take 97
where you
divided
get,
by 7.
where you get the 7532?
Okay, 7532 are prime numbers less than 9. These are prime numbers, okay? So I ask you, 9 is not a prime number, 8 is not a prime number, 7 is a prime number, right? 6 is not a prime number, 5 is a prime number, right?
Yeah.
Then 4 is not a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 2 is the only even prime number. So you take this number, you take 97 divided by this number one by one to see whether it is divisible or not. If it's divisible, then it is not a prime number. But If gives a remainder, then it is a prime number. Okay? Okay, so true enough, it cannot be divided by all this number. So 97 is a prime number.
Okay.
All right. Okay, very good. So I ask you the next number. What about 197? Is 197 a prime number? Okay, so similarly, you do this. You take square root of 197.
Well,
So you get the number is about 14, but 14 is not prime number. So you list down 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so you check this number one by one to see whether it can be divided. 197 can divide by this number or not. If 197 can be divided by this number, then 197 is not a prime number. Okay. So you
No,
can do,
it's a prime number.
okay, you can, yeah, so you can do it very quickly. All right. So again, 197 is a prime number. Okay, let me give you another. Okay, I'm trying to give you a tricky number. Okay, let me give you a number, say 7, 6. Okay, I give a number 247. Okay, last one. Is 247 a prime number? Okay. All right, so you all know how to work on this. Let you all try this. Is 247 a prime number? So I told you first step, what must you do? Ishan, first step, what must you do? You mute yourself, Mr. Who can't hear. What do you do first step? Do you know? Can you remember?
You put in square root.
Very good. Square root. Step 1, find the square root.
I have the answer already.
Of the number. Okay, if you got the answer, can you send the answer in chat first? Okay,
Alright.
because I also want Yushin to try. So find the square root of the number. Then the step 2 is check. Okay, whether the number is divisible, Mr. Right, divisible by the prime numbers less than the square root. Okay. Okay, let's see. I see. All right. Okay, very good. Okay, Jaden, you got it correct. All right. Yushen, you got any idea? Are you checking or not? Do you have a calculator with you?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your, have you come up with your conclusion already? Is 247 a
Yeah.
prime number?
No.
247 is not a prime
No.
number. Okay, so you tell me then, why is it not a prime number?
It can be divided by 13.
Good job. Okay, it can be divided by 13. Okay, so this actually give you about 15.7. So same thing. So all this number. So it so happen that immediately you take 247 divided by 13. Okay, you get 19. Okay, that's why Mr. Gu give you this. 247 is actually 19 times 13. And 247 itself is also equal to 1 times 247. So it has got so many factors, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is not a prime number. Okay? All right. Is it clear? Any question about this? So just now somebody mentioned, when is the next prime number here? So let's see, 2024, no. 2025, also no. 2026, also no. 2027, okay, Mr. Koh put a question mark. So you can check whether is 2027 a prime number or not. All right. Okay, I'm going to leave it to you. We're going to continue on this next week, 2027. We're going to start on the question first. So first to check. All right, have you attended the lesson 3 and lesson 4? Have you gone to lesson 3, lesson 4 already or not? Yushen, have you done it?
I've done lesson 3.
Okay, never mind. Any question that you encounter or not? Was you downloaded the homework to do also?
Sure.
Okay, never mind. Let's do the question. If any question, you ask Mr. Koh for help, okay? If you are not sure. Let's say you are stuck in certain step, then you can ask me straight away. Is that all right?
Question 5, I
Okay,
don't
let's
know.
look at the, which one? Which question?
Question 5.
5, okay. We look at question 1 first. Is this okay? Mr. Koh asked. Yushen, have you done this question?
I haven't done the B.
Okay. Oh, you haven't done B. Okay, haven't done B or don't know how to do B. You let Mr. Koh know.
Don't know how to do B.
Okay, never mind. All right, let's see how to do. Okay, Mr. Koh quickly do A. Express 3150 as a product of its prime factors, giving your answer in index notation. Okay, so that's a standard way to do. You take 3150. So we divide first. So up to me, okay, since I think I'll start with 2. So 1 times 2, 5 times 2, 10, 3, 5, 15, so 0. I can divide by 2 some more. Okay. Let's see, I want 2, 5, 2, 10, 3, 5. Okay, wait, Mr. Goh made a mistake already. Okay, that's bad. Don't know how to divide. Okay. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide by 2 first. So 1 times 2, carry 1, 5 times 2, 10, carry 1, 7 times 2, 14, carry 1, 5 times 2. So the next number that I'm going to divide should be okay, in this case a 5, I think maybe 5 is faster. 3, 5, 15, 1, 5, 5, 5, 25. I can continue with a 5. So 6, 5, 30, 3, 5, 15. Okay, no more 5 already. So I divide by 3. 2, 3, 6, 1. I divide by 3 again. 7, 3, 21. So I divide by 7. So 1. All right. So I'm going to write down in the side here 3150 is actually equal to 2 according to the number 3 square times 5 square times 7. Okay, so from here, I can see my A is actually a 2, B is actually a 2 as well, C is actually a 5, and D is actually a 7. Okay, is that correct? Do you get this answer?
Yes.
Yes or no, Yushen? You get this answer?
Yes.
Oh, I
Okay,
didn't.
how about Jaden? Oh,
I did.
you didn't get this answer? What answer do you get?
I got 2, 2, 3, and 7. Oh, wait a minute.